If you're over 60 and you've noticed that your memory isn't what it used to be, you walk into a room and forget why, names slip away mid-sentence, you read the same paragraph twice and nothing sticks, I need you to watch this video before you write that off as normal aging, because it is not normal, and I can prove it with a brain scan. What you're experiencing has a specific biological name, a measurable cause, and, as 3 separate clinical trials have now confirmed, a reversal mechanism that fits inside your morning coffee cup. My name is Dr. Ahmad from Anatomy Arts. I spend my time going through peer-reviewed neuroscience research so you get straight answers, not supplements ads, not fear headlines. And today I'm going to show you the most underrated brain compound that modern science has ever studied. Stay with me till the end. The protocol section alone is worth it.
Here's what we're covering today. First, the actual neuroscience behind why cognitive decline accelerates after 60. Not the surface-level explanation, the mechanism. Second, a compound called lion's mane mushroom, and specifically what its 2 active molecules do inside your brain at the cellular level. Third, I'm going to walk you through 3 real clinical trials, published in indexed journals with actual numbers. And fourth, the exact morning protocol: dose, form, timing, what to look for on the label. 10 minutes. Let's go. Here is what is actually happening inside your brain right now. And most doctors will not take the time to explain this level of detail. Your brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons. Those neurons communicate through connections called synapses. The quality of your memory, your focus, your processing speed, all of it depends on the density and health of those synaptic connections. Now, your brain has a built-in maintenance system for those connections. It runs on a protein called NGF, nerve growth factor. NGF is produced naturally in your body, and its job is to grow new neurons, repair damaged ones, and maintain the myelin sheath, the protective coating around your nerve fibers that allows signals to travel fast and clearly. Here is the problem. After the age of 60, NGF production drops by approximately 30 to 40%. And as NGF declines, your neurons begin to shrink. Synaptic connections weaken. Signal transmission slows. And that shows up in your daily life as brain fog, slow recall, and that frustrating feeling that your mind just isn't firing the way it used to. This is not a memory problem. This is a nerve maintenance deficit. And the distinction matters because it points to a completely different solution. Your brain is not broken. Your brain's repair system is running low on fuel, and lion's mane is the only natural compound proven to directly refuel it. Lion's mane, scientific name Hericium erinaceus, is a medicinal mushroom that grows on hardwood trees across North America, Europe, and Asia. It gets its name from its appearance, long white cascading tendrils that look remarkably like a lion's mane. And for over 1,000 years in traditional Chinese medicine, it was prescribed specifically for brain and digestive health. But here is what makes it genuinely extraordinary from a neuroscience perspective. Lion's mane contains 2 families of bioactive compounds found nowhere else in nature: hericenones, which come from the fruiting body of the mushroom, and erinacines, which come from the mycelium, the root structure. Both of these compounds are small enough to cross the blood-brain barrier, and once inside the brain, they do something no pharmaceutical drug has been able to replicate cleanly.
They stimulate the production of NGF directly in neurons. Not NGF mimics, not synthetic approximations. They trigger your own neurons to produce more of the protein your brain already knows how to use. That is the mechanism. Now, let me show you what happens in clinical trials when you actually give this to people. 3 studies, real data. Let me walk you through them. Study number 1, published in Phytotherapy Research, one of the most respected journals in natural medicine. A double-blind, placebo-controlled trial with 30 adults aged 50 to 80, all diagnosed with mild cognitive impairment. The lion's mane group took 3 grams per day for 16 weeks. At the end of the trial, cognitive function scores in the lion's mane group were significantly higher than the placebo group across every measured domain: memory, attention, and information processing speed. When supplementation stopped, scores began to decline, confirming the effect was directly caused by the compound. The researchers concluded that lion's mane is a promising candidate for preventing and treating cognitive decline. Study number 2, published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. This was a laboratory study, but the mechanism finding is critical. Researchers exposed human neuronal cells to lion's mane extract and measured NGF gene expression. NGF expression increased by over 60% compared to the control group. The researchers identified the specific aranacine compounds responsible and confirmed they crossed the cellular membrane and activated the NGF synthesis pathway directly. Study number 3. A 2023 randomized controlled trial from the University of Queensland, published in Nutrients. 41 adults aged 55 to 76 received either lion's mane extract or a placebo for 12 weeks. The lion's mane group showed significant improvements in processing speed and working memory compared to placebo. Notably, improvements appeared as early as week 4. The researchers noted the effect size was comparable to some pharmaceutical cognitive enhancers, without any reported adverse events. 3 trials, 3 populations, 3 different measurement approaches, consistent results every time, and a safety record that pharmaceuticals cannot match. Here is exactly how to use this. Pay attention to the details, because form and standardization matter enormously with lion's mane. Every morning, add 500 milligrams to 1 gram of lion's mane extract powder to your coffee, tea, or warm water, right before your first meal. This is your morning ritual. 10 seconds. No special preparation required. Now here is the critical detail most people miss. There are 2 forms of lion's mane on the market: whole mushroom powder, which contains fiber and some active compounds, and dual extract powder, which concentrates both the water-soluble hericenones and the alcohol-soluble arenosines. You want the dual extract. Look for the words dual extraction or hot water and ethanol extracted on the label. If the label just says mushroom powder, the arenosine content is likely negligible. Also look for a product that lists beta-glucan content. Minimum 25 to 30% beta-glucans is the quality marker for medicinal mushroom extracts. Start at 500 milligrams per day for the first 2 weeks. Your brain needs time to upregulate NGF pathways. You will not feel it on day 1. By week 3 to 4, most people report clearer mornings, faster word recall, and noticeably reduced mental fatigue in the afternoon. At week 8, move to 1 gram per day if you want to replicate the full clinical trial dosing. 1 powder, 1 cup, every morning.
That is the entire protocol.
I want to say something before I close. The narrative that brain decline is inevitable after 60, that your best mental years are behind you, that forgetting things is just part of the deal. That narrative is not supported by the current neuroscience. And I think it causes enormous harm because it stops people from doing anything about it. Your neurons are capable of growing new connections well into your 70s and 80s. That is a proven biological fact. It is called neuroplasticity. What you need is the raw material to make it happen. And NGF is the most important raw material your brain has. Lion's mane is the only natural compound we know of that reliably supplies it. I have put together a full 30-day brain repair protocol linked right below this video. It combines lion's mane with 4 additional evidence-backed compounds that address mitochondrial function in neurons, blood-brain barrier integrity, and systemic inflammation, all 3 of which drive cognitive decline simultaneously. It is the most complete brain health protocol I have assembled. Over 2.6 million people have already downloaded it. The feedback I hear most often is simple. I feel like myself again. That link is below. If this video gave you something useful, subscribe, because every week I go through the research so you don't have to. This is Dr. Ahmad from Anatomy Arts, and I'll see you in the next one.